Hello everybody, I hope you're having a good day so far. I'm just going to do a quick video to show Presenter, which is our new broadcasting and slides software. I'm using my laptop at home, but the one at church is exactly the same software, and I'll just run through some quick and basic things so we can get started. So the first thing is to obviously open up the app and then it will load, and then when you open up the app, this is kind of the screen that you see, and then the upcoming services will all be here. So if we take this one, for example, and click into it, we can see that there are already some songs on there. So what happens is when the worship leader adds songs to planning to the service, then it will automatically populate Presenter software as well. So one thing to do is just to double check that the songs are right. If you need to add a song or change a song, then we can do that, and we'll go through that later. The first thing to do is to add a background onto the slides. As you can see, so this bottom left corner here is what you see on the projector, and you can see that there's the lyrics there, but there's no background. So if you want to add a background, all you do is just press this plus icon at the top here, and it will come up with a blank item. So you put that at the top, and then you can see this pencil icon here. So if you click into that, you can change what this item is. So if you want it to be a background, you just go to background, media, and then it will have already a selection of backgrounds and images that you can use. So usually I will go for quite a simple one. For example, this, and you press the green tick, and then it will have the background there. And then if we click into the song again, now we can see that there's a background behind the lyrics. One thing to do is, if you can see this arrow on the left here, that means that it will take the background from the previous item here. So as you can see, if I uncheck inherit background, the arrow goes away. So then it won't take on this background. So what to do is, just to click inherit background on all the songs, and then it will go with whatever background is last set in the item list. So now we have a background. We have 4 songs. If you want to change a song, or if you want to add a song, you can see this pencil icon here. So if you click into that, it comes into this screen again, and you can change the song with this green button here. So say if the songs are incorrect or you want to add a song, if you press change song, then you can search for a song as well. There we go, and it will come up here. So yeah, that's a quick way to change a song. If you want to add a song, then you just press add item, and you basically just do the same again. So you go into lyrics, and then you find the song you want, and then it'll appear here. And just remember to check the inherit background box as well, so that the background will carry on into that song. In the case that we don't have those songs in the library, because these songs here in this list are the songs that are in our personal library, songs that we've sung before. So if you come across a song that we haven't sung before, or is new to us, then in order to import that song from Song Select, you go up to the top here, songs, and then there's a filter box where you can search for a song. So I'm not too sure what songs we haven't done, but for example, Come to the River is a song that we're doing, and well, I'll just choose this as an example, and it will ask you how many lines per slide you want, and so we can split it either 3 or 4 lines per slide. Press import, and then you can add it to the service, and then as you can see, the song appears here, and then we just click inherit background again, and yeah, all is good. In order to add the announcement slides and the sermon slides, you can also import PowerPoint presentations into this app as well. So same thing, you just add item here, go into the edit, and then you can choose to import a PowerPoint here. And then if you click PowerPoint, then as long as you've imported the PowerPoint into this app, it will show here. So in order to do that, you just drag and drop into this box here, and it will automatically upload. So if we press tick, then now we can see all the announcement and sermon slides are imported as well. So in order to transition between songs and into the announcements and sermons, it's quite seamless when we have it all on one app. This top right here, you can toggle the screen to be off and on. So depending on if you're using another app to present or if you want to use Presenter, this is how you change Presenter to be outputting or not. And yeah, I think that should cover most things that we need to do. You can also edit lyrics as well. So for example, I like to change this word savior to the UK spelling, so I'll just add a U here, and then you just press save, and for the future it will save that spelling here. So you can do a lot with this app, you can mess around with it, and yeah, hopefully everything should be straightforward. If you have any questions, feel free to just reach out to me. Yeah, have a good day. Thank you.